from peanuts to butter jar. Have you ever wondered how your favorite peanut butter is made? Welcome to You Coffee Channel. Today we will embark on a special journey from the lush green peanut fields to the golden, smooth and nutritious jars of peanut butter. Peanuts are not just a common ingredient, they carry a long story of the hard work and dedication of diligent farmers. From tiny seeds sown under the sun to the delicious jars of peanut butter we love, this journey is truly peanut farming. Planting and growing is magical and exciting. In a large field where peanut butter seeds are born and grown, they are meticulously cared for by farmers day by day. They are the farmers who are devoted to their work, using modern techniques and technology to ensure that each peanut meets the highest quality standards. Then they are taken to factories where advanced production processes turn them into delicious peanut butter jars. So let's explore this entire journey together, from seeds planted and harvested to becoming the delicious product on your table. Don't miss any details, as this will be an exciting journey you never knew about. To start a successful crop, selecting the best peanut varieties is crucial. High-quality peanut varieties are carefully chosen to ensure yield and quality. Spring is the ideal time for planting peanuts as the soil has warmed up and the weather conditions are favorable for the growth of the plants. First, the field needs to be cleaned, removing weeds, stones, and other debris. Keeping the field clean helps the sprouting process occur more smoothly. Farmers then typically conduct several soil tests. These tests help determine the soil's pH level and supplement any missing nutrients. For peanuts, soil with a pH level between 5.8 and 6.2 is considered suitable. Before sowing peanut seeds, the soil is loosened by plowing to ensure good aeration and prevent large clumps. Rows are created in the field using a plow or other equipment, depending on the type and equipment used. Peanut seeds are sown at a depth of 1 to 1.5 inches. This depth is crucial because it ensures the seeds get enough soil while, preventing them from being buried too deep. The seeds are placed about 2 to 4 inches apart within the rows. Proper spacing ensures each plant has enough room to grow without competing for nutrients with surrounding plants. Throughout the growth process, peanut plants need regular watering to maintain the necessary soil moisture. Modern irrigation technology helps farmers control the amount of water effectively, ensuring the plants are always supplied with enough water without wasting it. Maintaining soil moisture helps promote good germination. Peanuts usually need about 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week during this stage, either from rain or supplemental irrigation. Regular water supply is essential as the peanut plants develop and establish their root systems. When the peanut fields start turning a brilliant yellow, the peanut plants grow leaves and begin to flower. This is the ideal time for harvesting, as the days are still long and warm, avoiding rain and bad weather that could affect the production process. At this stage, knowing when to harvest peanuts is crucial to ensuring the best yield and quality. Different types of peanuts may have varying development times, with some maturing in 120 days, while others may take up to 150 days or longer. The first step in harvesting peanuts is to pull the plants up, exposing the peanut pods. Peanut harvesters typically have blades or shakers that go beneath the soil, gently lifting the plants and shaking off excess dirt. This process brings the peanuts to the surface while still attached to the plant. Once the plants are pulled up, outdoor drying is the next crucial step in preparing the peanuts for separation from the plant. Sunlight and natural wind help dry the shells and the outer parts of the pods. This drying process reduces the moisture content of the peanuts, making them less susceptible to fungal contamination and improving their shelf life, creating ideal conditions for the next stage of production. After the drying stage, the harvester moves on to the threshing process. Here the machine separates the peanuts from the plants. Rotating drums or shakers inside the harvester aid this separation process. The separated peanuts are then collected in a bin or hopper within the harvester. Remaining plant stems and leaves are often discarded back onto the field, where they can decompose and enrich the soil. Some modern peanut harvesters are equipped with cleaning systems to clean the harvested peanuts, removing any remaining soil, stones, or debris. Once filled, the harvester transfers the peanuts, usually via an auger system, directly into trucks covering them with tarps. They are then safely transported, minimizing exposure to elements or pests and optimizing the post-harvest process. After being harvested and transported to the factory, the peanuts undergo a thorough cleaning and sorting process to remove any remaining dirt, stones, or debris. Next, the peanuts are placed into a rotating drum or cylinder that's equipped with grooved walls. As the drum rotates, the peanuts rub against each other and the drum walls, causing the shells to crack. The peanuts and their cracked shells then pass through screens or air columns, where the lighter shells separate from the heavier kernels. A peanut gravity separator is used to sort the peanuts based on their density. Through vibrations and upward airflow, the peanuts are stratified on the separator's deck, with the heavier, higher quality kernels rising to the top and lighter, damaged, or foreign materials settling to the bottom. The next step in the main process is blanching, which can be said to be an extremely important step for peanut butter to be put to use. This special stage is responsible for removing the red skins that envelop the peanuts. In this exciting process, hot water or steam is used to gently warm the outer skins, allowing for easy removal of the protective layer. After the peanuts are carefully blanched, they undergo the roasting process. The peanuts are roasted in ovens to enhance their distinctive flavor and create a crispy texture. This process also makes the subsequent grinding of peanuts easier. Once the peanuts are roasted, they are placed into large grinders where they are ground into a smooth, creamy mixture. This is the peanut butter we commonly see in the market. As with every final stage of production, the peanut butter undergoes thorough quality checks before packaging, ensuring that the product is stored and transported in appropriate containers. The jars of peanut butter are placed on automated packaging lines where they are carefully and tightly packed to ensure freshness and food safety. Peanut butter is not just a delicious food, but also a rich source of healthy fats and protein. From simple sandwiches to hearty breakfasts and even delicious desserts, peanut butter is always a great choice for every family. It not only provides a special taste, but also creates warm and happy moments when the whole family gathers, enjoying tasty meals with peanut butter. Thank you for joining us on the journey from peanut fields to the peanut butter jars on your table. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos to learn more about fascinating stories from the world of agriculture and food production technology. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any videos.